How to change ships in Sea of Conquest. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will walk you through these steps on how you can change ships in Sea of Conquest. The first thing you want to do is access formation screen. For that, you want to tap on the icon that resembles a ship's wheel or formation in the bottom right corner of your game screen. This will open the formation screen. Now select current ship. On the formation screen, you will see your current flagship displayed prominently, likely in the center. You might also see smaller icons representing your secondary ships on the sides. Now you want to choose New Ship. Tap on the icon of the ship you want to switch to. This could be a smaller secondary ship or another available flagship you own. Then you want to confirm it. Depending on the game version, you might see a confirmation pop up asking if you want to switch ships. Confirm the switch if prompted. Once you have selected the new ship, it will become your active ship. The formation screen should reflect this change with the newly chosen ship displayed prominently. Remember that you can only switch to ships that you currently own and have unlocked in the game. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.